this tutorial, you will learn how to create a group on Catalyst. Groups are a shared space and a trusted professional learning network, offering mutual accountability. Like a gym buddy, you can even use groups to manage your existing networks, like the department in your school, your district, your state language association, or any other professional group that you already belong to. Once you're logged into Catalyst, in the top center of the homepage, you'll see My Groups, information about the groups to which you currently belong. Along with this information, you have two options: join a group and create a group. If you want to create a new group, or you already have a professional learning community you want to add to Catalyst, you can go to My Groups on your homepage and choose Create Group. To create a group, you'll need to specify the name of your organization, a name for your group. These will auto-generate a unique group name. Next, set the group to either public or private. Public groups are open to anyone on Catalyst to view members and group activities. Private groups allow only members of the group to see members and activities, and permission must be granted to join. New members can either be invited by a group administrator or given an administrator selected access code to join the private group on their own. If you choose to set a group you created to private, you will be prompted to enter a group access code. This is the code you can give any Catalyst user who is interested in joining your new group and will allow them to join without a direct invitation. Add a description of your group, especially if you are public-facing and want others to join. Optionally, add an image to go with your group. Catalyst allows users to join many different groups, allowing educators to engage with colleagues near and far to work towards mutual goals and areas of interest.